Look at this setting closely. Does this seem like a magical kingdom? If this would be the setting of our story, who is a possible character? A fairy? A genie? An Easter bunny? Or a vampire? How about a dragon? Well, if you are going to write a fictional story, it is up to you as a writer to choose your characters and setting as well as the plot. How great is that, right? But wait, what do we mean when we say that a story is fictional? There are two main categories of writing. These are fiction and non-fiction. Fiction refers to literature created from the imagination, and its main purpose is to entertain the reader. Non-fiction, on the other hand, refers to literature based on fact, and its main purpose is to inform the reader. For this lesson, we'll focus on writing a fictional short story. Step 1. Think of an idea. What will your story be about? List some ideas on a piece of paper. You can make use of a concept map or a mind map to brainstorm ideas. My tip for generating a story idea is to determine the mood that you want your readers to feel. Do you want them to feel happy, sad, or scared? If you want the reader to feel happy, you can think of events that will support that happy feeling. You can draw inspiration from real-life experiences, such as your first day of school, an adventure in the park, or a trip to the beach. Experience and imagination help in creating a good plot. Step 2. Create your character and setting. Every story should have a main character. The main character determines how the plot will develop and is usually the one who will solve the problem in the story. The main character can be a child, an adult, or an animal. It can even be a robot. However, the other characters are also very important because they supply additional details, explanations, or actions. Setting. Where do you want your story to take place? It can be a school, a city, a different country, or even another planet. As for the time when the story happens, it can be in the past, the present, or in the future. It can be set one summer's day or one rainy afternoon. Choosing the right setting will help you create the mood of the story that you want to achieve. Step 3. Write the beginning of the plot. Introduce the main character right at the beginning of the story. The setting should also be established in this part. Then, write the problem faced by the main character. What does your main character want to do or achieve? You can also introduce other characters here to shake things up in the story. Step 4. Write the middle part of the plot. In this part, present the actions made by the characters to solve the problem. Step 5. Write the ending of the story. The ending must show how the characters solved the problem. Make the ending satisfying by stating what happened to the characters after their problem has been resolved, what they were able to achieve, and the important lesson they learned. For example, if the main character easily gets scared in the beginning, he learns to be brave at the end. If the character starts off as a lazy student, he could change into an active and hard-working student at the end of the story. To sum it up, here are the steps to help you write your own story. Think of an idea, create your character and setting, write the beginning of the plot, write the middle of the plot, and write the ending of the story. What kind of story would you like to write? Let me know in the comment section below. If this has been helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a lesson. That's all for today and see you in the next lesson.